Yo, what is up, friend? How's it going? So right here, you want to learn how you can redirect Shopify homepage to product page on your Horizon team, or maybe the Shopify homepage redirects to products page on your Horizon team, and you don't know how to go about it. Then I'm gonna teach you into this video tutorial. Now, check something out. You can see this page like this. Okay, I've done something to it, and by the time I refresh this page, it's gonna redirect to the product page. Check it out. You see? Voila. So I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do this. And by the time you're done with this video tutorial, you will be able to do this easily, just like a pro. And this is a beginner tutorial, so you don't have to be scared of all this coding or whatever. It's simply easy. And just with something easy trick, you're good to go. Now let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta! So what you want to do is to come to your online store like this, okay? You want to come to Teams, and as usual, almost all our stores are always in edit theme, but today we're gonna be using edit code. Now, don't fidget, okay? It's relatively simple, so even if you're a novice, you can easily do this, okay? So it's just a one-step stuff, and you're good to go, all right? So now you want to click on this three-dotted icon, and as you can see, it's already in Horizon, and I'm gonna click that, and we're gonna click on edit code. Now our code is loaded. Okay, so this is the code interface. All right, so where you want to go to is this layout. Okay, don't go to base.css, don't go to anywhere, go to this layout. All right, so you want to click on the drop down, and right here you can see Team Liquid. Okay, this part that says Team Liquid, please not password liquid, Team Liquid. All right, you want to click on this Team Liquid, and as you can see this space right here between lang request local ISO code and to this head. Okay, this is where we want to paste something, and the moment we paste it, we hit on save, and we're good to go. All right, right here is the code that we're going to be pasting. Okay, this code right here is what we're going to be pasting there. Right, and the only thing we just need to do is to rename, okay, is to change this product name to the name of the product, okay, that we want to redirect our homepage to. Okay, so before even pasting, so let me go ahead and look for, okay, let me just first copy these. Okay, so I'll just change the name in the coding interface. So I'm just going to copy these. Okay, so I'm actually going to give you a link to this doc file, so you'll be able to get access to these. All right. Okay, so now we're back in the Explorer, okay, which is the coding interface, and I'm going to go ahead and just paste the code. Okay, right there, it's pasted. So the next thing we want to do is to go to our product, and I'm going to go back to product here. So right here is the dashboard. Okay, then you can see this is a product I have, so I'm just going to use this as an example for this store. So you click on the product. Okay, just open it. Then you want to scroll down to the part that says search engine listing. Okay, right here. Then you want to click on this edit, and we're just going to copy the product's name right here. So this is the product handle. So we're just going to copy this. Okay, this seamless or whatever yours is, you just copy that. Okay, just copy it from here, then go back, and we're gonna replace it with this product name. Just only that. Okay, not the product. Okay, not this one. Just only the product name. That's what you're gonna replace. And the minute you're done, you click on, or before I even click on save. So right here is my home page. As you can see, if I should refresh it, you can see that it's still home. If I click on store, it's still showing home. So, but now let me go back and click hit on save now, and I refresh it. Let me hit on save again. Okay, so now the moment I go back, I click on refresh, you see it's already automatically redirect me to the product page. All right, and also before you do this, you can first duplicate your theme, okay, so that you can be on the safer side in case you are maybe you're a bit of a novice or a beginner. You can first duplicate your theme, so you now have the effect of the theme and now publish the theme. All right, so like for example, if I should duplicate this now, okay, so you can see it's loading up, so I can easily just publish this. I can make the effect of this copy and also publish it, so that way my first theme, my other one is safe. Okay, so in case of any kind of situation. All right, but however, this is how you can go about doing this. Okay, so just go to your code, your edit code, then Team Liquid layout, Team Liquid, then paste the code in between this. Okay, this is the code right here. Okay, this is it in between lang request logo and sorry, this is the script right here. Okay, yep. So in between lang request code and head, right? So you just paste it and you change the name, okay, to this part to the product name to the name of your product, and you hit on save, and you're good to go. So it's gonna start redirecting just like this. Okay, I believe this video has been helpful. With this, can you make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification in case you want more tutorials like these on how you can, redirect from home page to products page in your Shopify Horizon team. I will see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.